Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Groovewasher is probably one of the most essential tools for any vinyl enthusiast looking to preserve the pristine sound quality of their cherished record collection, offering a comprehensive solution that goes beyond simple dusting to truly revitalize your LPs. Number 5. Big Fudge 4-in-1 Vinyl Record Cleaning Kit. Keep your vinyl collection pristine with our comprehensive cleaning kit. It's designed for easy and effective record care. This 4-in-1 kit includes everything you need for superior record maintenance. You'll find an ultra-soft velvet brush, cleaning liquid, a stylus brush, and a convenient storage pouch. Our specialized cleaning liquid gently removes dust and grime without damaging your precious vinyl. Ensure a clean sound and extend the life of your records. The ultra-soft velvet brush glides over your records, lifting debris without scratching. The included stylus brush ensures your needle is also clean for optimal playback. Achieve professional-level care for your vinyl records at home. This kit provides the tools you need for a superior listening experience. Keep your cleaning tools organized and protected with the included storage pouch. It's perfect for maintaining your kit and taking it on the go. What we like. This kit offers a comprehensive solution for your vinyl cleaning needs. It includes all the essentials for a thorough clean. If you are looking for a complete package with multiple tools, this is a great choice. What people say. Left my record spotless, left no residue, easy to use, and took so much gunk off of my older vinyls. Cleans well, dries quickly, and my records sound new. Like they were just pressed from factory. Most times you don't even need to use the liquid. The velvet brush works so well. Number 4. Spin Clean Record Washer Kit. Clean both sides of your vinyl records at the same time with this powerful yet quiet system. It requires no electricity and is simple to set up, making record cleaning at home a breeze. Experience superior cleaning with our innovative snap-in rollers and wedge fit brushes. They ensure a secure and stable fit, providing exceptional performance for your vinyl records. The redesigned basin is not only easy to clean but also features enhanced stability. Its improved feet design prevents wobbling, ensuring a smooth and uninterrupted cleaning process. Our specially formulated, alcohol-free cleaning fluid is gentle on your records. This concentrate is designed to be diluted, offering optimal results for maintaining the quality of your vinyl collection. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need for pristine vinyl. It comes with a patented basin, premium brushes, durable rollers, and soft, lint-free drying cloths to protect your records. Whether you have 33, 45, or 78 revolutions per minute records, this kit is designed to handle them all. Keep your entire vinyl collection in perfect condition with this all-in-one solution. What we like. Experience effortless and quiet deep cleaning for both sides of your record simultaneously. Its alcohol-free solution is gentle, and the advanced rollers ensure a secure fit. If you prioritize a gentle yet effective clean and appreciate a user-friendly design, this is the one for you. What people say. This thing works. Deceptively simple and ingenious. The difference was immediately noticeable. Linda's voice was clearer, sibilances were better and the tracks seemed more open and spacious. It works just as described and it is definitely a pretty fun record cleaning system. It feels a little like being behind the wheel, smiley face. Number 3. AirPod and iPhone Multi-Tool Cleaning Kit. Keep your devices like new. This tool easily cleans dirt and debris from your charging ports, extending their life and ensuring a reliable connection. Don't let bad connections slow you down. Use this kit to clean and repair your charging cables, eliminating intermittent charging and oxidation for a smooth experience. Restore the clarity of your audio and the cleanliness of your devices. This kit effectively removes dirt and lint from headphones, speakers, and small gaps. Take this essential cleaning tool anywhere. Its lightweight and portable design makes it easy to store and carry, ensuring your devices stay clean on the go. Crafted from high-quality ABS plastic, this kit is built to last. The thoughtful design ensures easy storage and convenient access to all your cleaning tools. Give the gift of clean devices. This kit is a perfect and practical present for anyone who loves their Apple products, ensuring they stay in top condition. What we like. This is a specialized tool designed for cleaning and repairing electronic device ports and cables. It effectively removes lint, dust, and debris, and can even help with unreliable connections. If you're constantly dealing with charging issues or want to maintain the longevity of your phone's ports, this is an essential gadget. What people say. The multi-tool has everything I need to clean tricky spots like charging ports, lightning cables, and connectors without any hassle. It's compact and easy to store. The kit was around $15 and saved me $1,585. Highly recommended. This thing helped out a lot and solved that problem. I then use it occasionally to maintain my AirPods as the other connectors are nice and it was an added bonus. Pretty decent product. Number 2. HumminGuru Ultrasonic Vinyl Record Cleaner HG01. Rediscover the pristine sound of your vinyl records. This professional cleaning machine brings your dirty records back to life, offering a superior listening experience. Featuring a dual 40 kHz ultrasonic system, it powerfully cleans even the smallest debris from your vinyl. This ensures a thorough clean without causing any damage to your precious records. Enjoy your cleaned records almost immediately. With the auto clean and dry mode, the cleaning and drying process is fast and easy, so you can start listening right away. Designed with the environment in mind, it uses minimal water. Just 350 milliliters of distilled water is needed, and it can be reused multiple times, making it an eco-conscious choice. This cleaner is intuitive, compact, and quiet, designed for a pleasant user experience. It even includes smart cable management for easy storage. Its sleek design ensures it fits perfectly into your record collection. Measuring only 34.2 by 15.2 by 27.4 centimeters, it's designed for convenience and style. What we like. This machine brings professional-grade ultrasonic cleaning to your home, tackling debris with 40 kHz power. It features auto-drying and a compact, quiet operation. If you seek the most advanced and efficient cleaning method for your vinyl collection and want to listen to your records right after, this is the ultimate investment. What people say. My cleaning process is simple. I first clean all albums with the spin clean. 5 rotations in one direction and then 5 rotations in the other. I do use the spin clean soap. This will get you a great sounding clean LP. While the album is still wet, I then place it in the HumminGuru for the extended auto clean cycle. The HumminGuru cleaned all 3 records, even the gunked up 1970s LP to an identical level. The HumminGuru also dried the records completely. The records played not only free of pops, but with much enhanced sound quality, most likely due to removing the coating that records received during pressing. This cleans my vinyl records very well and the difference in sound quality is noticeable. Number 1. Groovewasher G2 Record Cleaning Fluid Refill. Bring your vinyl back to life with our powerful cleaning solution. It's designed to remove dust and grime, leaving your record sounding pristine. Experience crystal clear audio without any unwanted residue. Our formula ensures a clean playback every time, preserving the integrity of your music. This 32 fluid ounces bottle provides ample solution to refill your existing cleaning kits. Keep your collection sounding its best with this convenient refill. Specifically made to replenish your record cleaning spray bottles. Enjoy the ease of use and superior cleaning performance it offers. Crafted with care in the USA, our cleaning fluid meets the highest standards. Trust in a product that's made to last and perform. Invest in the longevity and sound quality of your vinyl records. This refill ensures you always have the best cleaning solution at hand. What we like. This is a generous refill bottle for your existing record cleaning solution. It's designed to be residue-free, ensuring a clean playback. If you already own a cleaning kit and need a reliable, high-quality fluid to keep your records sounding their best, this is the perfect replenishment option. What people say. The kit comes with a brush, cleaning fluid, and a drying cloth, providing a complete solution for record cleaning. It effectively removes dust and grime from vinyl records, resulting in improved sound quality. The cleaning fluid is gentle on records and does not leave any residue. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.